I'm interested in becoming a home inspector because I'm just tired of overworking, being underpaid, and the extremely long hours. I want to spend more time with my family. So I decided to say, you know what? Let me look up a trade. And home inspector was the first trade that popped up that paid the most out of all the trades. So I signed up, paid for it. It provides the books, the classes, the on-hand training. It's pretty simple. And AHIT gets you prepared for the test, most importantly. Other schools, they just train you for the job, not for the test. It's been a great experience. My first day, I was completely nervous, but the instructors, they made me more comfortable. They provide so much knowledge. They're actually here to help, tell you different ways to save money and how to actually do your job correct. It's a great school, and it has great ratings. Do what I did and enroll into AHIT. You won't regret it.